Hope you had a good weekend. Okay, paraphrasing. That's this week for reading. We are excited to paraphrase. Now, you've been working on getting notes for your historical figures. So now what you're going to really work on this week is you're going to take all that information and put it into your own words. Remember, if you copy everything word for word, what's that called? That's called plagiarism, and we don't want to do that. So we want to paraphrase. We want to take those words and put them into our own words. So today, you're going to watch a brain pop video on paraphrasing, and you'll do the quick exit ticket, and then you'll go into the writing lesson. Let me get my dog to stop barking. Hold on. And then after you've done your writing lesson, you need to spend that time researching and working on paraphrasing those notes that you've found. This whole week for writing, for reading, we're working on paraphrasing. So today we're doing a brain pop video. Wednesday, I'll have another little activity, and then Friday. Tuesday and Thursday will be your reader's response again, regular. We're not going to worry about researching on Tuesday and Thursday. We'll take a break from that. And so I really want you to work on putting these notes that you've found into your own words. And we'll give you instructions on how to do that. So today, brain pop video and exit ticket. Easy peasy. So make sure you spend that extra time that you have on working on your research project. Okay? And we will see you again on Wednesday. Bye.